Here's how to see battery usage by app on the iPhone in iOS 26. So if you want to see which apps are hogging the most battery or even which system processes, we're going to go to Settings, and then inside of here, you're going to find Battery at the top, so you can just tap on that. And after we're inside there, we're going to want to scroll down a little bit. Now, we're going to see usage by day. This phone has been plugged in for a long time, so I just recently used the battery a little bit so that I could show you where you can see by app. But you'll see some app and system activity right here, and then you can click on View All Battery Usage to see where you've been using the battery, when it's been charging, as well as what's been using the battery. So YouTube has used 13% of the battery today. You can actually toggle through different days up here and see the usage on these different days if my phone will click. There we go. Okay, you can see the usage when it's been charging, etc. And you can go day by day and see battery usage by app. And we can tap on that to see when YouTube has been using our battery, what days have been the most, how much on-screen and background activity, as well as system resources and other system things that drain the battery, like this down here, other battery usage, no cell coverage. So basically saying that my phone is trying to connect to cell towers, but it can't, but it's using battery to try to do that. And so this phone doesn't have a data plan, which is why I should probably turn that feature off so that it doesn't try to do that and drain all of my battery. That's probably why my phone, when it's unplugged, will just drain the battery really quickly on its own because it's just using all that for no reason. And so that's pretty much it. That's where you can see app battery usage. And you can go by day and you can kind of see the usage over time. And then you can kind of figure out which apps are hogging all your battery and how your battery is draining so fast. That's how you can see battery usage by app on the iPhone.